Hello everyone, this is OP sir and welcome to Ganitom mathematics. Yes friends, we will be discussing exercise 1.2 of rational numbers, and the question is to represent a rational number on the number line, and how very easily we are going to represent it. You will see that. Okay. It is that represent these numbers on the number line. Two parts are there, means separately we will draw. So first of all, first part we have 7 upon 4. Okay, so for this, what we are going to do, that we can see that this is what? Positive rational number. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First of all, we will make this. First of all, we have made this, and what we have in denominator? What we have in denominator? That is 4. 4 we have. So everywhere we will put 4. And what we need? 7 upon 4. What we need? That 7 upon 4. And it is the best way to encircle this 7 upon 4. And we can, even one more time, we can represent 7 upon 4. And this is our appropriate answer. The next we have negative rational number. Minus 5 upon 6. And only negativities. So 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. We can make more also, but why we will make too much lengthy this calculation, this number line. So how much we need? 1 or 2 extra we will take. What we have to represent? Minus 5 upon 6. So in denominator what we have? 6. So everywhere we will put 6. Okay, and 0 upon 6, that will give 0 only. Now minus 5 upon 6. What we have? Minus 5 upon 6. So I have insert called minus 5 upon 6. Again I will write minus 5 upon 6. So by this way, difference we will represent the rational numbers on number line. Thank you for watching this video.